This is dangerous. Yeah, about this week. That big, cool. Look at that back, boy.
Spinning lines on top of the weight station.
Just slide into them pitches. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nacho back here with another video, and today we got a whole bunch of shit to do. Number one, hey, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but nah, you probably not. But we got the big meat Larry Hoovers right here. And we gotta go put on a cat, and gotta get a haircut too. I know I got my steel toe do rag on, so y'all can't really see nothing. And we gotta move all these out the way so I can put these in the car. This is the first time I see me on the screen, you know. Please make sure you do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Got my tires loaded up. I know y'all probably can't hear me because my car is dumb loud. But we got ahead to get a haircut. Like I told y'all, it look like a throwaway top. We'll get the haircut, we're gonna pick the camera back up when we get there. Probably forgetting what time it is, bro. I'm like, bro, I need the haircut, bro. Well, of course, it's Christmas, or Thanksgiving. All the holidays are totally over. Nobody really care about how they looking on New Year's. They're doing the part out of there. That's it. That's too much. I was everywhere. Man, I was thinking about that shit. The headache gonna be when I see 120 leave my bank account. That gonna be the real headache. When you looking at the wrong. Yeah, I said Hellcat and a emergency in there. But then when I go back and look at my bank account,
spinning lines on top of the weight station. Supercharged up and go away. What's up, Dave? All right, now, Rick.
Yeah, that's a legend. We had a little crease in it back then. I ain't seen that in so long, bro. And let me buy the bird right there. Oh, now I don't need no bird. Now you want to listen to it. So I don't need no bird, bro. You don't need it for let me get it one day, next couple videos, that's it. And I'll bring it back to you. Not for real, dead end.
Ain't you shooting one for real?
Let's do it.
Where you want to do it?
You looking at my cameraman right here, man.
I'm saying,
Hey, wait, whenever you're ready to pull that phone out, just let me know.
It's out. I drove it. I pulled it out from the thing.
But you don't even right either, man. I see how it is.
It was last, man.
How y'all pull y'all cars out last minute? I don't even remember when I seen Dave car, man. They don't even drive their car, man.
He was in here, I think,
I don't ever tell me.
And it just be that spur of the moment.
Yo, I was spraying him over on the record.
I got you. Okay, well, I'm tomorrow. Yeah, big cloud early on Sunday.
I know you already. God damn. Man, what the fuck? Look at me, bro.
Nah, it's a little hard to
I swear you, I think you do that spot every time.
I believe so too. It's a little bit.
It be the same spot, bro. That shit
He's doing this with a franchise that has new ownership, a completely
Bro, I wasn't even trying to get on the nerve about it. I need my haircut, bro.
But see, I'm already getting into that.
But at the end of the day, I got up late.
I think you gonna take me at 2:30 in the morning, and they can't even up.
What's going on? Like, they be gone quick. Really though, Jalen Hurts ain't ready to drop this.
Now I'm back looking ugly as hell. Nah, we got the crispy. That was overdue. God damn. Bro, I got hair everywhere, bro. I think I got nicked. Got a nick right here. And a nick back there, bro. Now we finna head to go get these tires put on. Which is, everything's been much needed and longly overdue, bro. Yeah, that's bullshit. Look at that tire. That tire is ugly as hell, boy. What the other one look like? Yeah. About to go fix that. I've been sitting here about damn near 30 minutes. Finally, I'm finna be able to go up here. This dude's been putting on these new rims on this little plug. Yeah, man, I'm going, Nick. Talk to him. Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. I gotta wait till they come out here and tell me to go in there. I gotta wait till they come out so they can tell me when to go in. Lord have mercy. I gotta wait till they tell me to, yeah, ma'am. Oh, man, I love old people. Let me not say old. I love elderly people, bro. But sometimes they just don't understand. So I do a burnout right quick. Yeah, about this week. So, only bench press paintbrushes and chips. How about they gonna be?
$35 each. Are you gonna take those sections?
Nah. Hip dirty. No kidding. I think I might actually look down. I got some meat down there. Alright, so we done put the tires on, right? We come to the Toyota dealership just to get a couple cool shots for y'all, man. And I'm sitting up here chilling, right? Dealership man down there decided to ask me the most blasphemous question I've ever heard in my life. Do I want to trade it? So I'm like, alright, bet, what you got for me? Man ain't gonna tell me he got a RAV4. A RAV4? That ain't even. I'm gonna trade a Hellcat in for a RAV4? Hell no. I can't believe he even thought that was a great question. No. That'd be stupid. What am I getting out of that? They're getting a great Hellcat. They're probably gonna sell for maybe 70,000. And I'm gonna be in a mama car, soccer mom van and shit, man. That just don't add up. Man, this is looking nice right here, though. Hey, I'm right. Good picture. Gotta take it like old people. Gotta get right, like right.
Defensive slide into them pitches. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Woo! Had to get that, man. You feel me?